Day 3, still stuck in Dutch Harbor. No plane, no boat, just this fog. It's day 3, and I woke up in the same clothes, same bunk, and same cold air. Every day starts with me trying to find my toothbrush, like it's a damn scavenger hunt. Second cup of the day. I'm starting to think that coffee is my therapy. Yes, it's cold. Yes, I'm in shorts. And no, I didn't pack for this. They said maybe we'll take the boat. I've been hearing maybe for 3 days now. At least the food's been hitting. Banana, gone. Donut, elite. Yogurt, smacking. Still stuck, obviously. Still posted up with 6 guys in a room built like a freezer. Look at the map. That's where I am. Just waiting for anything.